Say hi.
Hi. So we're in a car show and you're gonna see some really cool cars. Now this car is a 1952 Roadster.
Triumph Roadster, huh?
Yeah, Triumph Roadster. And now Dad.
This is one that I like. It's a 1970 Plymouth Cuda Flow Touring. Really cool. $89,900.
Yeah, and I think it's one of the most expensive ones I've seen so far. Now this is a 1936 Roadsmith, and if you ever see this car at a car show, and if you read that sign, it says "Do not touch."
How much is it?
And it costs $179,900.
Whoa.
Now it's time for Dad again.
Alright. We've got a Mazda 2004. I used to have one of these. And of course, this is a 2003 Boxster. It's cool. Alright, now hold on, we'll do the video. Okay, so, alright, so say, this is the Camaro, this is the Chevelle. This one's $59,000, this one's $69,000, okay? Ready? Alright, ready? Go.
So this is a Chevy Camaro, and this one is a Chevelle. And if you wanted to buy one of these, or to buy this, you would need $59,000, and this one costs $69,000. Now, these two white ones.
1965 Sunbeam Tiger Mark.
But they both cost $59.
59,000.
Yeah, 59,000. I shouldn't say that. That's rude to buy a car.
These Corvettes. Are these Corvettes? You like them?
Oh yeah, these old Corvettes, my favorites.
Those are your favorites?
Yeah. So these are my three favorite Corvettes, and the 1978 ones are my favorites, and these might be some of them.
We got an 82, a 71, and an 86. You like those ones?
Yep.
It's a 1967 International Scout 800, $74,900. But look at this piece of beauty. Nice car. All right.
Okay, so this time I'm gonna let you guys say the thing. So it costs
$99,900.
Yep, if you guess that, you're right.
Make sure they can see the whole car.
And the color of it is, oh, you're right. I know some of you might be thinking it's orange, but it's actually red. And I'm gonna tell you, this one, a 1960. And the ones I see in the magazines are 1963. So was this one, somebody had already bought it. And I don't know who sold it, but it cost $14,000.
1982 Mercedes, huh?
Yep. 1982 Mercedes.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Ooh. And so this one is the biggest, most expensive car that is even in here, and it costs $224,000.
The Dodge Power Wagon.
And that's the last one for now. Bye.
Hey guys, here's a really cool Ford Mustang. Unfortunately, this one is not for sale.
Yeah, so you can't buy it.
Too cool.
Yeah, a little too cool. Now this one is now telling me that the last one wasn't. This one, and it is, and it cost $39,000. And the Safari.
Pontiac Bonneville Safari. So it's like a station wagon.
Yeah, and it's made the same year as the car we took.
65 like our Cutlass.
Yeah. Now here are some of the ones that are outside. And the Cutlass is out here if you'd like to see it.
All right.
And that one those people are talking near is where the Cutlass is, so we're not going to show you it right now. Now everybody, this is a 1965 Cutlass. And now I'm showing you it, but from the other side. And if you like this one, please like the video and subscribe.
Say it's also not for sale, right?
And this one is also not for sale because it's ours. We're not selling it. Now I would like to show you the inside of it. And I hope you like the inside of it. Now we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Here are the cars pulling out. Whoa, there we go.
There's one behind us too if you want.
Now, guys, even we're pulling out.
Alright.
Anyway, I don't think
Okay,
this
he's
one.
going. Keep going. You want to wave at him? Keep going.
But
Got an aspiring YouTuber here. 65. How about yours?
What's that?
What's yours?
75.
Okay.
guys, now here we pull out. Now we could show you. We could wait
You get the
this
guy
way.
behind us? Is it cool?
cool Cadillac riding behind us.
Yep. Now those are cool Cadillac going behind us. I hope you like everything. We go now.
Woohoo!
You like us splitting out? Tell me in the comments.